Hi students, today we are starting our next topic, that is biotechnical apps in medical. These apps are of three types: for diagnostic instruments, imaging instrument and diagnostic kits. We are starting for diagnostic instrument. Number 1, we are starting with ECG, that is electrocardiogram. An electrocardiograph or ECG is a test used to measure the electrical activity of the heart. The test takes only about a few minutes and is devoid of any pain. The electrical activity of the heart causes the heart muscles to contract that result in pumping of the heart. The ECG is in the form of spikes and dips known as waves. The wave pattern helps in assessing the rate and rhythm of our heartbeat. The human heart produces an electrical impulse by itself. As this electrical impulse passes through our heart, it generates an electrical current that spreads over our body and reaches the skin. The patient is connected to the ECG machine with three electrical leads, one each of both wrist and the third one of the left ankle of the patient, and that is used to monitor the activity of the heart, and this is standard ECG testing. You can see how it is. In this manner it is connected, one to ankle and two to wrist, and it is showing us activity of the heart. Now the process of electrocardiograph includes: small sticky electrodes are attached to the arms, chest and legs. These electrodes are connected to the ECG machine through wires that help in detecting the electrical impulses occurring at each heartbeat. These electrodes usually detect the very minute form of changes in an electrical path on the skin which arises from the heart muscle and electrophysiological pattern of the depolarizing during every heartbeat. You can see this is PQRST. Now here we will study how it works. The P wave is the electrical excitation of the atria or auricle or depolarization initiating auricle contraction. P is showing electrical contraction. The QRS, you can see this is the QRS. So the QRS is the depolarization of the ventricle initiating ventricular contraction, marking the beginning of the systole, that is contraction. T wave means the return of the ventricle to the normal state, that is known as a repolarization, marking the end of the systole. Here contraction completes. By counting the number of QRS complex, we can evaluate the heartbeat rate of the patient. Any deviation in this shape result in heart disease or an abnormal heart rhythm, which can either be slow, irregular or very fast heartbeat. Hence, it is essential equipment in the field of the medicine. Now, type of ECG test. There are three main type of ECG test. Number 1, resting ECG. Number 2, exercise, and number 3, 24-hour ECG. We are starting with resting ECG. This type of ECG is used to examine the electrical activity of the heart at rest. While performing this test, the patient is asked to relax and then heartbeat is recorded. Exercise ECG. This type of ECG is used to examine the electrical activity of the heart during stress or exercise. In this test, a patient is asked to run or walk on the treadmill or a cycle while the heartbeat is recorded. 24-hour ECG. As the name suggested, this type of ECG is conducted for 24 hours. The heart's electrical impulses are measured by a device called the Holter monitor. Now, medical uses of ECG. The main goal of electrocardiography is to obtain information regarding the heart's electrical impulse. This means it can find evidences of past heart attack or even any undiagnosed heart disease. The medical use of such information are very valuable and grant a deeper insight into conditions like: why ECG is done. An electrocardiograph is done for the following reasons: to detect or to check the heart health in case of other diseases such as diabetes, high BP, high cholesterol, etc. To check the thickness of the chambers of the heart wall, to monitor if the medicines are causing any side effect, to check if the mechanical devices implanted in the heart are working properly or not. Now, number 2, we are talking about EEG, that is electroencephalogram or encephalograph. EEG measures electrical activity of the brain. The brain consists of billions of cells, half of which are neurons and half of which help and facilitate the activity of the neuron. These neurons are densely interconnected via synapses, which act as gateways of inhibitory or excitatory activities. This is encephalograph, EEG. In this manner, it is put over the head. Now, electroencephalography. It is the physiological method of choice to record the electrical activity generated by the brain via electrodes placed on the scalp surface. For faster application, electrodes are mounted in the elastic caps similar to the bathing caps, ensuring that the data can be collected from the identical scalp position across all response. Despite its somewhat daunting name, suppose pronunciation, grasping the essentiality of the electroencephalography is the surprisingly simple. Now, it measures electrical activity generated by the synchronized activity of the thousands of the neurons, provide excellent time resolution, allowing us to detect activity within cortical areas even at sub-second time scale. As the voltage fluctuates, measures at the electrodes are very small, the recorded data is digitized and sent to the amplifier. The amplified data can then be displayed as a sequence of the voltage values. Price differences in ECG are typically due to the number of electrodes, quality of digitization, the quality of amplifier, and the number of snapshots the device can take per second. And this is sampling rate in hertz. It is one of the fastest imaging techniques available, as it often has a high sampling rate. 100 years ago, the time course of EEG was plotted on paper. Nowadays, the data is displayed digitally as a continuous flow of the voltages on the screen. Now, we are starting with CT scan. CT scan allows doctor to see inside our body. It uses combination of X-ray and computer to create pictures of your organs, bones and other tissues. In this, a narrow X-ray beam that encircles around one part of the body. This provides a series of images from many different angles. A computer uses this information to create a cross-sectional picture. Like one piece in a loaf of the bread, this two-dimensional scan shows a slice of inside our body. This process is repeated to produce a number of slices. The computer stacks these scans one on top of the other to create a detailed image of our body organs, blood vessels. A radiology technologist will perform the CT scan. During this test, we will lie on the table inside a large Duff-nut-shaped CT scan machine. As the table slowly moves through the scanner, the X-rays rotate around our body. It's normal to hear a whirring or buzzing noise. Movement can blur the image. Doctors order CT scan for a long list of reasons. It can be joint problem, complex bone fracture, tumors, cancer, heart disease, liver masses. CT scan useful. They also show internal injuries, bleeding, such as those caused by a car accident, blood clot, excess fluid, some infections. Doctors use them to guide treatment plan and procedures such as biopsies, surgeries and radiation therapy. Doctors can compare CT scan to find out if certain treatments are working. For example, a scan of a tumor over time can show whether it's responding to chemotherapy or the radiation. So today we have studied CT scan. After that, we have studied EEG for the brain. After that we have studied ECG for the heart. So today whatever I have taught you, I am sending you its PDF. Thank you.